So in this video today, I have decorated a table for two. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called Tablescape Tuesdays, and that's my favorite time of the week. So Tablescape Tuesdays today has a guest, and is Katrina's Priceless Home Life and More. Her theme is roses, and so I decided to go with ribbons and roses. Now, if you haven't been over to Katrina's channel, head on over there, guys. She has amazing home, life, and more content. Click the like button, leave her an amazing comment, and let her know that I sent you. Amen. Now, I decided to go, as I said at the beginning of the video, with bows and roses, and I love white roses. So I decided to put in that pop of red, which always reminds me of Mother's Day. So let's get moving. Let me show you exactly what I did here. Now, right over here to the left is a huge red bow. I'm absolutely loving this red bow. And then we have the place setting. Also, right next to the smaller garland here, you will see some more bows. And then this is what the beautiful place setting is looking like. The napkin fold is also in a bow. And I think it's gorgeous, guys. All right, so let's go ahead and take this apart so that you can see how I layered this. So like I said, this is a bow napkin, and then the center is like a diamond napkin ring holder. And then here we have this gold plate. This came from Home Goods. So isn't that gorgeous? I love that gold color. And also the plates. So the plate also came from Home Goods. Very beautiful. All right, now we move on to the charger, and this white charger came from Hobby Lobby, and I'm loving that as well. And then here we have the gold placemat, and that has some gold butterflies on it. Then here we have that garland that I ran along the top of the place setting. The flatware came from Home Goods as well. So now we're going to go ahead and layer this back. So the wine glass did come from the Dollar Tree. I'm loving that wine glass, the shape. And then here we move on over to the water glass, and that was a thrifted item from Home Goods. As you can see where I have my vase, I did drape over some greenery, and I am loving these roses. So I hope Katrina loves the way I set this table. I think it's gorgeous. So let's move on over to the reveal.